Welcome to the Columbus State Library's tutorial, Academic Search Complete, the Basics. Academic Search Complete is a scholarly database that covers all areas of study. It allows you to search for journal articles on a wide range of topics and is an excellent starting point for research. Let's start by opening a web browser. We recommend using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Double-click on the browser icon to open it. If necessary, click the center button at the top right of the browser to make it full screen. Once the browser is open, click in the address bar and delete any text that might be there. Then type the Columbus State Library's address, library.cscc.edu. After you type, hit Enter on your keyboard to go to the library's website. When the library's homepage opens, click on the Find Books and Articles option in the navigation bar at the top left of the page. In the menu, click on the option for Databases. When our database list appears, click on Academic Search Complete. It's the first database in the list. When the database loads, you will see a search box in the middle of the page. Your search terms should be very simple. Try to condense your research question, thesis statement, or arguments into 1 or 2 meaningful words. Don't enter full sentences. Let's use the phrase service animals as an example search. As you type, the database may offer you search suggestions. Make note of any that are potentially useful before continuing your search. When you are done typing, press Enter on your keyboard or hit the search button. Your search results will load. Note that a search box containing your terms is now at the top of the page. In the center of the page are the search results. Each result is numbered and has an indication of its format next to it, such as academic journal or periodical. Above the first article is the total number of results in the search. At the bottom of each page are links allowing you to visit the next pages in the search results. Before reviewing your results, please check the box on the left-hand side of the page that says EBSCO Full Text Only. This ensures that only articles you can actively access will appear in the final search results. Your search will automatically reload. Now it's time to review the search results. Let's talk about the anatomy of a result. The title of result number 1 is Service Animals, a New Legal Dimension Within the U.S. Military. Note that any words matching your search terms have been bolded to make them easier to spot. Immediately below the title are the article's authors, followed by the title of the journal in which the article was published. Then follows the date of publication and the page range and page count. Below that are the subjects. Subjects are preset terminology that describe what an article is about. Subjects can give you important clues about other language you can use to search for your topic. In this case, we can see that there is a subject term, Animals as Aids for People with Disabilities, that has been bolded by the database to show you that this is considered an exact match for your search terms, service animals. This means you should take note of that subject and search for it later. Immediately below the subjects will be a link indicating how you can get the article. A link saying PDF full text will make the article load as a file that you can download or print. Because this fully represents the article as it first appeared in print, this is the preferred option. A link saying HTML full text loads the article as a web page, without page numbers and lacking the original formatting. Last but not least, a link saying Full Text Finder opens a new tab directing you to other locations where you may be able to access the article. To look at the summary or abstract of an article, Place your mouse over the icon of a page and magnifying glass to the right of the article's title. This will bring up a caption box that has the summary or abstract of the article. You can read an article's summary to quickly decide whether or not it will be useful for your research. Academic Search Complete also offers citation assistance. To access this, click on the article's title. A page with in-depth information about the article will now appear. Much of this is a repeat of what you saw on the previous page. What's new is the Tools column on the far right. Many of these tools will be useful to you, but for now you'll want to click on the page icon that has the word Cite next to it. This causes a box of citation formats to load at the top of the page. Scroll through these until you find the format designated for your assignment. You can copy and paste this text into a document for later use. It's very important that you always check these citations for errors before turning in your final paper. Let's use the result list link to return to the search results. It's important to note that if you need to send yourself a link to these results to review later, you can't use the text in the address bar. Instead, click the Share button at the top right of the search results list. Under Use Permalink, you will find a persistent link to these search results. You can copy and paste this into a document and use it to return to these search results later. This concludes our tutorial, Academic Search Complete, the Basics. Columbus State students and employees can visit the Columbus State Library website at library.cscc.edu to find all of our resources, as well as online research and citation guides. Thanks for watching.